Chapter 8, Sloka 13. Omityekaksharam Brahma. Omityekaksharam Brahma. Omityekaksharam Brahma. Vyaharan mam anusmaran. Vyaharan mam anusmaran. Vyaharan man anusmaran. Omityekaksharam Brahma. Vyaharan mam 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 anusmaran. Yaprayati tyajam deham. Yaprayati tyajam deham. Yaprayati tyajam deham. Sayati paramam gatim. Sayati paramam gatim. Sayati paramam gatim. Yaprayati tyajam deham. 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 Sayati paramam gatim. Omityekaksharam Brahma. Vyaharan mam anusmaran. Yaprayati tyajam deham. Sayati paramam gatim.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, Sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.